Good day, everyone. I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this importation training. So this should be the first video I'll be doing, and we won't be talking a lot. That means I'm not going to take you guys deep into it. So this should be just intro and then the overview of 1688.com website. So as I told you guys in the WhatsApp group, the best online marketplace in China, that is where you're going to communicate with those manufacturers that produce all those goods you guys used to get from the market. So the best place to connect with those people and buy from them is 1688.com. Though there are other online marketplaces you can connect with other manufacturers and suppliers of those goods, but I will highly recommend 1688.com because that is a website mainly made for the Chinese people. So the entire website is written in Chinese language. That is only available for the Chinese citizen to go and purchase goods. That's why the website, if you see a product on that website, you see it at a very low price. So I've made some researches which I'm going to be showing you guys further in the training, where I go to Jumia and get a bag, that is a shoulder bag. So which the shoulder bag cost about 9,000 naira on Jumia, and then I searched for that exact product on 1688. Guess what? That product is just 1,700 naira. So you can see the differences, right? So that's why I recommend 1688 for you guys, because it's the cheapest marketplace you could ever find. So let's head over and see how the website looks like. So the web address is www www.1688.com. So this is the web address. You can just open your browser. I would recommend you guys to use Chrome browser because it has the um, translation engine. So that feature is added automatically by the Google themselves. So they add that translation engine into the browser. So if you are using Chrome and you launch a page that is written in another language, the browser is going to ask you to translate. Either you want it to translate that page for you or not. So if you just type in www.1688.com, you can just click on it and let it launch. So this is the website as you're seeing it here. Is entirely written in Chinese. So this is what I was trying to tell you guys, that Chrome browser have this feature embedded in it, this translation. You can see that it automatically translates some of the things in English. It translated it to English. You can see some other things though are still showing in Chinese, which I don't think, and which those things are not even important to us. So the browser was not able to translate those things. So we don't care, since we have our product and the number of sold products translated. So you can see the website now as shown on my phone right here. So this is the website, and that's how you will translate a page. So let's assume you visited this website and it didn't translate the page automatically for you. That means you have to do that manually. That is, you have to translate that thing by yourself. So to do that, let me try and open a particular product. So let's assume you visited a page and you see the page just come automatically in Chinese like this, and it didn't translate automatically. So what you can simply do is this: if you are using Google Chrome, you can just hover over this three dot at the top right here. You click on it, and then you come to this translate. You click on it. So this is going to translate the entire page in few seconds. Okay, all right. So you can see the entire page is being translated to English. So that's how you manually change the language. So let's assume you want a different language than English. That means you want this page to translate into French or something else. So you can just hover over these three dots and then you come to more languages. So you can see the languages we have here. We have French, we have German, Greek, whatever language you want, Hindi, Hebrew. So if you want a different language, then you can just do that and select the language you want the page to be translated to. So that's it about translating the 1688.com website to English. So now navigating this page, let's go back to the home page and um, do some navigations. So the home page, as you can see it right here. So you can see we just have some products. We just have some product being shown on the home page right here. So we there are other things we are not having here. That is when you're using a mobile phone to browse this page, some features are disabled. That is, you won't have those features right here. But if you're browsing the page on your computer, you're going to have the feature. So why that's the feature of the categories. So we can see that the categories are not showing while browsing the mobile version of the site. So to do that, you kindly hover over these three dots. You can see beneath we have this desktop site. So you can just come to it and click on the desktop site. So that is going to render the desktop view of that website for you. So this desktop view, um, you can see the categories just appeared after changing the site to the desktop site. So this desktop site is not going to translate if you're using a mobile phone. But believe me, if you're visiting this website using a computer, it's going to translate all the categories for you. So I have made another video using a computer to demonstrate all these things, and you will be able to see that the categories will show up in English language because I'm using a computer to browse the page. So you can see by the logos, that is by the images being demonstrated um at the beginning of every category, we understand that this third category right here means for shoes. So if you hover over that and click on it, it's going to give you the categories under that shoes. So that's how to navigate those categories, and that's how to navigate on this 1688 website using mobile phone. So if you have a computer and you want everything to be easier for you, you can just use the Chrome browser on your computer to launch this page. It's going to give simplified everything for you, and you're going to see it in English language. So that's it for this video, guys, and in the next video we'll be explaining on how to source effective products and how to avoid low rated low rated products, and we also identify the genuinity and authentic suppliers. That is, we as we can see, every image of a product right here is a beautiful one. That is, let's assume you are a seller. If you want to display your products online, you have to make some editing and give some contrast to beautify that product. So do not be moved by how a picture of a product looks. So there are some things we will have to look at in order to know the authenticity of a product or that seller. Is it productive? Should we buy from that seller or what? So in the next video, that's what we'll be looking at. So thank you for watching, guys.